Tired of random teammates and predictable opponents? Let's unlock the secret world of custom matches in Brawl Stars. First, head over to the main Brawl Stars screen. Look for the Friendly Game button located at the bottom left. Tap on it. You'll now be in the Friendly Game lobby. This is where the magic happens. Choose the game mode you want to play from the selection available like Gem Grab, Brawl Ball, or Showdown. After picking your game mode, select your map. Tap the map option to see all available options for that mode. Scroll through the available maps and find the one you want. Remember, some maps are better for certain brawlers, so choose strategically. Select your desired map. Now it's time to assemble your dream team. You can invite friends from your friend list using the invite button. Or, if you want to practice alone, select your team, and then press start. And just like that, you are in a custom match. Now you can practice strategies, test out new brawlers, or just have fun with friends. So, ditch the randoms and take control of your Brawl Stars experience. Now go ahead and create your custom match and start having fun with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.